With knowledge of anything, we think, we reflect, we become clear. Knowledge liberates me from the suffering. Opposite of knowledge is ignorance. Such a look at the simple example. Anne and the Sophie are sitting together, and I don't know them, but I'm searching Sophie. Where is Sophie? And I point out to the Anne. Anne says, "No, I'm not." Finished. Dropped. Pulse I? Anger, I'm not. Anger will drop. Stress? No. Expectation? Drop. It is so simple. Leave, do nothing. Remain as you are, my friends. I'm not saying don't think. I'm not saying that have a blind faith. I'm saying extract the knowledge, the wisdom, the awareness. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your awareness on the right hand, not in a hurry. Your awareness on the left hand. Lift your both palms, place it on your eyes, open the eyes inside. Know your experiences and bring the hands down to be ready for sharing your experiences. How are you, Sophie?
I'm very good. I didn't fall asleep, even
That's
though
good.
my head was going down. But I definitely could hear you, and my mind didn't fought any battles.
Beautiful.
You,
That's really.
that's really. Yeah.
How are
How?
you?
Thank you.
Thank you. How are you, John?
Hey, Girish. Um, well, um, I almost fell asleep a couple of times, but I prevented myself from falling asleep, and I kept the false self away, I think, most of the time.
Beautiful. Yeah, that is what either you do it by thinking the other steps. So you see that I give you simple example that you and Anne are you and Michael are sitting. Example, and I say, "Oh no, I'm searching for John," and pointing to the Michael. Michael says, "I'm not." So I got rid of the ignorance. Then what is left? There are only two people. I know one of them is John. Michael is not. So what is left? Mind is so calm. That is the only journey of Eastern wisdom. Oh, that is the only journey in one sentence? We are wasting time for so many weeks, weeks after weeks. So when you start recognizing the false I, as the John said, he kept it aside. Done, finished. Are you in?
Yes, I feel very good and quiet. Though at the end, I think I must have dozed off for half a minute or something.
Okay. That is okay. The quietness comes because you keep, when we keep ignorance, or you say the false I, away by recognizing it, you're there.
Mhm.
Yes, we find the real self. How are you, me?
I feel that I'm coming back home and that I have been drifting and I want to return home now.
Good. Returning home is to finding the real self. Why don't we keep in our mind this truth cannot be falsified? There is a truth that we should believe. No, you need not to believe. It's clear. Good. Terry, are you there? I don't see you. She can understand easily what the journey is because she is attending another sessions regularly, and this, so she also finds a total contrast. I'm teaching something totally different in another session in here. And in this session, I'm still focused on this text, which has only 800 verses. So I'm picking up one verse after the other. So it's all a matter that how much I contemplate and reflect, how much I live into that state. So I give it one expression to those secret principles. Another master gives another way of expression. So expressions are many. Principle is one. And I appreciate this is, I'm going back to the John, the false side. You recognize it. You simply say in your mind, this is not me. I'm done with you. Thank you. It clears your mind. Now it's your mind whether you make it clear or not. Why should I say anything? You have a lot of things to do in your life. Um, a lot of things. Not only this journey. Sometimes it becomes very difficult for me to spare even 1 hour once a week. Pay attention. What is behind that? False I. If you recognize, and you recognize from moment to moment, from moment to moment, in your personal life, in your professional and social life, the life changes. Hey, that is all for today. Thank you very much. Stay.
Thank you.
Be happy. Keep smiling.